Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a game changer for you. The Every Drop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1. This is, without a doubt, the best refrigerator water filter available in the market. Stick around to find out why. This filter is the only one approved by top brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and Jenn-Air. It's NSF certified to reduce 99% of lead and other contaminants. Changing the filter is a breeze. The product comes with clear instructions, making it hassle-free to replace it yourself. It can filter up to 200 gallons of water or last for approximately 6 months before needing a replacement, ensuring you get your money's worth. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and tastes in your water. This filter will leave you with crystal clear, refreshing water every time. Measuring just 2.5 inches in diameter and 8.69 inches in height, it won't take up much space in your refrigerator. But that's not all. The benefits of using this filter go beyond just clean water. It also claims to accelerate metabolism, which could have a positive impact on your health. Plus, it's incredibly easy to order, as it's available on Amazon with fast shipping. Speaking of which, if you're interested in purchasing the Every Drop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, you can find it on Amazon for a fantastic price of $52.49, down from the list price of $59.99. And if you're watching from India, don't worry, they even offer shipping to India. Now, let's see what some customers have to say about this product. And changing the filter? Well, that's a piece of cake. Just take a look at this quick video clip. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that anyone can do. To sum it up, the Every Drop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1 is a top-notch choice for clean and refreshing water. It's easy to install, lasts a long time, and has fantastic customer reviews. Plus, it's currently available on Amazon at a discounted price. That's all for today's review of the Every Drop Refrigerator Water Filter. If you want the best for your family and your health, this is the filter you need. Don't forget to hit that "Buy Now" button on Amazon and enjoy clean, great-tasting water right from your fridge. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review of the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay hydrated and make informed choices. See you in the next video.